I am going to put a beehive on Penelope. Ha 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 ha.
Molly, I am going to beat this level. Me too.
I will put this beehive on you, Penelope.
No. Please don't do this. Are you okay? Brian put a beehive on me. Let's see. Oh wow. Sorry. I will yell at him. Brian, how dare you put a beehive on Penelope? That's it. I am calling the police. Hello, police. Is that Brian putting a beehive on Penelope? Okay, bye.
Brian! How dare you put a beehive on Penelope? That's it. You are under arrest.
It's okay. I will tell your mom and dad. Mom, dad.
What is it? It is okay.
I will take away the beehive.
There is no beehive anymore.